everyone, my name is Kalvintaka. Thanks for watching this video. Now today I'm going to teach you guys how to play with your balls. Right, now what kind of balls are we talking about? We're talking about juggling balls, right? So this is what you do. Now at the end of the day, you'll be chucking 3 balls up in the air and try to catch them and pass them around and so on and so forth. Now to juggle, the first rule you have to remember is you need to practice with one hand first. Always practice with one hand. It doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, just practice with one, throwing up and down, up and down. Get used to the momentum, right? And then you pass to the other hand and practice again and again. Until you pretty much get used to it, then you add on to the second ball. Now when you throw the second ball, you just do it something like this, with both hands. It takes turn to throw the ball up in the air, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now when you're used to it, this time chuck it slightly higher, because you need space in between so you can pass the ball to the other hand. So here's what you do. When you want to swap balls, right, don't swap at the same time, because you might have a risk of hitting each other and the ball is going to go in different directions. So this is what you do. It has to go something like this. If you notice carefully, right, one ball moves slightly slower than the other, so this one will go to that side and this one will go to this side, so it goes something like this. Constantly keep on practicing this until you kind of like get used to the momentum, then you add on to the third one. Now here comes the tricky part. The third one is almost the same like with 2 balls, but of course before the second one lands, the third one is going to go up in the air. So it goes a little something like this. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Kalvintaka, and enjoy playing with balls.